In this video I'm going to show you how to make a deep house drop like Kream did in these tracks. Let's straight dive into it. Let's start off with a vocal. I dropped it in from the new motion pack, completely wet. Sounded like this. Vocal comes completely mixed out of the pack, so I only added a sidechain to it. So now we're gonna dive into drums. Let's start off with a kick. Let's use this really soft kick. Then drop in the open head and the offbeat. And fill it up with a top loop. Really add some movement to it. Then I want to drop in a shaker loop. And spice it up with some more percussion. Let's use this one, giving this simple rhythm. Got a little bit of low end in there, so let's remove it. Then I wrote them all to a bus channel and added a little bit of transients, just like this. So now it's time to dive into the bass line. I got this new Serum loaded up. Let's use this preset. So the track is in A sharp minor, but I don't want to start on the root note. I want to make it slightly more interesting, so starting off on the 6th. Then create a rolling bass MIDI. Like this. Then go up one note to the 7th. And finish on the root note. Double it. And make a little variation. Yeah, that's perfect. Then just add some distortion. And a sidechain to it. So all together in the track, it sounds like this. Then I want to remove the first hit of the drums. Hitting a crush like this. Really dope. Then we're gonna dive in the melody. So we got a new Serum. Let's pick a Pluck sound from the pack. And create a MIDI just like this. And make a little variation in the end. Yeah, that's perfect. So now we're gonna mix it. First, get rid of the low end. And there's resonance. Bit of reverb. And bring out the reverb some more with the OTT. Chorus the sidechain. Something like this. Which is a dope foundation, so now we're gonna spice it up some more with that typical Kream Stab. I got a preset saved for it in a pack. Sounding like this. Just that's dope. Then just mix it. Get rid of the low end. Some OTT. Delay and reverb. Then we're gonna duplicate it. And add a Pluck sound to it. Right here. You can barely hear it, but it's just a small thing to spice it up some more, make it a little bit more interesting. Then we're gonna duplicate it again. And make an ARP sound. So just some really short notes. And create a MIDI like this. Yeah, that's really solid. So now I want to spice it up with a lead fill. Again, the Serum duplicated. Just some basic mixing with reverb, OTT and delay. And look for a saw preset like this one, for example. Again, up to the F. Yeah, it's solid. So just a root, fifth, second and third note of the scale, then just duplicate it. And we're gonna use another fill right here. We're gonna create an animation clip like this. To get rid of the low end right there. Let's try a Reese fill. So just drop it into Serum. Pick a simple Reese preset. Like for example this one. Starting off high. Then back to the root. Make sure to let the notes overlap for that slide effect. Then go up 2 octaves. And it's perfect. Then we need to give it a sidechain. Something like this. So then the last thing I want to add is a rhythmic lead. Like for example this one. To emphasize the bass notes a little bit more. Just like this. Duplicate it and follow the chords. Going from the F, G sharp and A sharp, like this. So together with the bass, it sounds like this. You can barely hear it in the mix, but it really adds some groove to it. So that's it for the drop. Now I'm gonna quickly arrange the breakdown to fill it up some more. So I just added a downlifter, uplifter, Pluck from the drop, simple string sound in the drop as well, and these chords, same as the drop, and respace. So that's how you make a Kream style drop. I think it turned out really dope, so let me know what you think about this one in the comments. Besides that, if you liked the video, please drop a like, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in the next videos.